Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this forky structure, which is 36 inches tall. So I made my template of a picture I found on Google, and I also made another one which is going to show me where I'm going to put my wood. And I also drew this extra piece just to remind myself where I'm going to put my corner braces. So I measured it with my other forky, make sure everything is correct. Then I taped this forky to my wood so I can start tracing it and know where to cut. There, I'm done tracing, and I'm just gonna unite the little pieces I couldn't trace because of the tape. Then I also made myself a guide which is gonna show me how forky is gonna look from the side. So the bottom is gonna be 3 inches long by 2 inches wide. Then the middle is gonna be 7.5 inches long by 3 3/4, and then the top is gonna be 7.5 inches long by 3 1/4. After making those measurements, I made 4 other templates, which is what I'm gonna cut my wood with. And this one is gonna be the one going down his body. It's a 2x2. Now I start doing the same thing and start tracing everything all over again. Now I have my 7 new pieces. For most of my structure cakes, I do use this cake board. It's made out of wood. It takes a lot of pounds, and it comes with feet already pre-drilled, which you could take them off if you need to. Who said girls can't do the hard work around here? Now it's time to start cutting my wood. I cut every single piece I drew. Now I use my sander to smooth out any edges that are rough. These are my corner braces. I bought these at Home Depot, but you could also find them at Lowe's. They come with screws, but I had to buy a smaller size of screws so that they won't go all the way through the other side of my wood. With a pencil, I marked where I'm gonna put my forky. Then I put my brace. I secured my brace on the cake board first by drilling it. Make sure it's secured. Then the next one goes on forky. I flip my cake board and then I do the same thing but on the opposite side. Then I finish drilling the rest of my screws. Now I'm drilling my corner braces to the small pieces I have. Once that's done, I drill them to my forky. Then I do the same thing with the rest. For the arms, I used a threaded rod. I also used a Sharpie to go ahead and mark where I'm gonna bend it. This thing right here, it's amazing. It bends my threaded rod with no problem, and I attached it to my working table. Now stick with me. I am a girl and I'm using these tools, and sometimes I don't know their names, but I use this to cut my threaded rod. If you know the name, please comment below. This will help a lot of people, including me. I bend this from side to side and voila! This is where I'm gonna attach the arms, and to do so, I'm gonna have to use my drill one more time to go ahead and make a hole. I put a nut on my threaded rod, which is gonna go all the way to the top. Then I put it through my wood and I put another nut on the bottom. With my wrenches, I put them really tight. After all of that is done for both arms, I'm going to use this aluminum foil tape, and you have to be really careful because it can cut you. And I'm going to cover my whole forky. By the way, I did put another corner brace in the front just to make it a little more stable. Putting this aluminum foil tape all over my forky will make my structure food safe. And I am done. If you would like to see how to make the cake, I will leave the link in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow my Instagram, and until next time, thank you.